I'll be like, I'm not a professional. So if you see me doing the wrong shit, do not. Can I curse?
Yeah.
I curse.
No, don't cuss.
No, don't.
No, don't cuss. Don't cuss. I'm gonna have to edit it out. Good YouTube, it's your girl Ken once again, and I'm back with another video. As you know by the title, I am getting something different done here, and I do have a special guest. My favorite freaking cousin, aka my sister, Chantel. She's about to tell you about what she's about to do. So y'all make sure you like and subscribe and show her some love too. I'm gonna put her channel down below.
Hi, I'm Chantel. So today we are doing some press-ons. So I have mastered my $9 kiss nails from Walmart, and we have some Blue Bedazzled that we're gonna do on Kenya today. I just did these. When did I do these? Monday. My daughter painted on it, put the glitter on there, but come with it. They not going nowhere. So we're gonna get started and put these blue ones on. And we're gonna use the nails. Use the glue that comes in the pack. You don't need nothing extra, no gel, no glue X, none of that. Can y'all hear it? Hold on. It ain't. Oh, I can't see it. Yeah, this it right here. This is the key to the success. Bam. So first, I'm just gonna clean up under her nails, get everything even, and then after that, we are gonna buff them out. bit of oil on there. All right, so we oiled her up, put oil on the cuticles, and this is the finished product. Here we go. Can't even tell their press-ons. Look like she went and got acrylic.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.